How much does legal action for workplace retaliation cost? Imagine facing retaliation at work and wondering what it might cost to stand up for your rights. Legal battles can seem daunting, but understanding the costs involved can help you decide your next step. The price of taking legal action for workplace retaliation varies a lot depending on how complicated your case is, where you live, and whether it goes to trial or settles early. Usually, employees work with lawyers on a contingency fee basis. That means the lawyer gets a percentage of any money you recover, often between 33% and 50%. This setup helps reduce upfront costs but means your lawyer's fee comes from your settlement or court award. Settlement amounts for retaliation cases typically range from $20,000 to $40,000. Many cases settle for between $5,000 and $80,000. If your case involves severe retaliation, long-term lost wages, emotional distress, or damage to your reputation, the settlement could be much higher. When employees have legal representation, they often get larger settlements, sometimes 3 times or more than what they might get on their own. For employers, defending against retaliation claims can be expensive. Pre-trial defense costs usually average around $75,000. If the case goes to trial, costs can easily go over $125,000 or more. Employers also risk paying attorneys' fees if the court rules in favor of the employee, especially under laws that allow winning employees to recover their legal costs. Sometimes courts add multipliers to attorneys' fees, which can make the employer's costs even higher. Key expenses in retaliation cases include attorneys' fees, court filing fees, and costs for expert witnesses if needed. There are also costs for discovery, depositions, and preparing for trial. Damages awarded can include back pay for lost wages, future wages if the employee cannot work, emotional distress compensation, damage to reputation, and, in extreme cases, punitive damages. These cases can take weeks or even years to resolve, depending on how complex they are and how busy the courts are. Settling early can save both sides money and reduce the risk of a lengthy, costly trial. In the end, legal action costs depend on many factors, like case details, attorney fee arrangements, and how long the process takes. Employees usually pay little upfront but might share in the recovery through attorneys' fees. Employers face high defense costs and potential damages, making early resolution a smart choice. Knowing these costs helps you make informed decisions if you believe your workplace rights have been violated through retaliation.